In today's video, we will show you how you can easily set up your Google account on your new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. For Android phones, having a Google account is essential. While you can still use your phone without setting it up, your options will be limited. Among the things you can do if you set up your account on your phone are, you can download and install apps from the Play Store, upload files and media to Google Drive, back up your data using your account, use Maps for navigation, create and access YouTube channels, use Gmail to receive emails, and many more. So we cannot stress enough how important it is that you add your Google account to your phone, and that's what we're going to show you here. But before anything else, please like and share our videos so we can help more people who might have problems setting up their accounts. If you're ready, follow these steps. Pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. Scroll down to find Accounts and Backup and tap on it. Tap Manage Accounts, which is the first option you can find. Tap Add Account. On the next screen, find Google and tap on it. Now enter your Google ID, and once finished, tap Next. It will work with or without the domain name or the @gmail.com extension of the ID. On the next screen, enter your Google ID password. If you've turned on the two-step verification, then you'll need to approve the login from one of your devices. But once you've done that, it will automatically log you in. You may now agree and accept Google's terms and conditions to continue. Once you've successfully set up your Google account, you can now download and install apps from the Play Store and enjoy all the services Google has to offer. We hope that this guide can be helpful. You may subscribe to our channel or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.